What's going on YouTube? Geo2 Plays here, bringing you back another video. Today we actually got a Red Dead Redemption. I was very messed up saying that. We got a Red Dead Redemption video. I'm gonna be showing you guys where the cat skull mask is. It's right outside LaCay. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here where you gotta go on the map. But let's get to it. I'm gonna get ready to start heading that way right now, for real. It's not really that far from where I'm at. Gonna see what he do out here in the bayou. See who we trying to scalp up in the woods. Oh yeah, first victim right here. Headshot. Oh, he trying to run. Oh yeah, we got another one right here. Y'all. Bro, I swear every time I play this game, it'd be like a trail of dead bodies behind me.
Easy. Please help.
What the fuck is that? Oh, his horse don't got no strap on him now. Shit. I don't know. They be trying to make me fall for the bullshit in the Red Dead. I'ma just keep it moving. Is there? Boy, what the fuck you talking about, boy? Laid him out there.
It's okay, girl. Yeah. Slow it up.
I'm gonna fast forward this part right here a little bit so I can get to the part where I go to the cat mask, cause this is like right outside this town. I think I was doing a little something in this shop right quick or something. But yeah, y'all gonna wanna come right up in this swamp over here, and there's gonna be like little torches with a skull on them, and you're just gonna go right there. It's gonna be like a shed to your right on the water.
Hey, you're okay, girl.
So cut through this little part right here, through this trail,
There, girl.
and it should pop up on my right if I'm going the right way. I don't know which way. I just came in here just now. Y'all. So this is the thing I'm talking about right here. Y'all see like the little torches and stuff right here.
Okay, girl.
Yeah, but for the most part, all y'all gonna want to do is just walk right in here. It's gonna be like a flooded building, so I think there's some sort of wall or something you gotta crouch to get under in here. But yeah, you just come in here, duck down between in here, and Here's the mask right up here. I think you just jump up here. And there you go. Got the cat skull mask from the bayou. But this pretty much sums up the video. I'ma chop it up right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more videos next time. Thank you.